Will It Light was a series that I developed that were shorts that I've now compiled into one long video, because what I found was that subscribers don't watch shorts and shorts people don't subscribe. So I've put together a compilation of all the Will It Lights, where I throw a bunch of weird shit in a fireplace to see if it'll light up, into one comprehensive video for the subscribers, because why should you guys feel left out? So I now present to you, without further ado, Will It Light compilation part 1. There'll be more. They're literally right there. God, close this thing. It's fucking hot. Jesus. Starting a new series, Will It Light. Tonight, we're starting with 3 used paper plates into the fireplace. Let's see if we can get it going with only these plates. So yeah, 3 plates. It'll light. On today's episode of Will It Light, we got a shitload of wrapping paper. It's Christmas after all. My local town does not recycle wrapping paper, so this is just going into the landfill. So let's see if it'll light. Now, I know this is just thin paper, so we're going to give it a fighting chance. We're going to use sweet gum to kind of get it lit off. Sweet gum sucks for heating, but it's really good for like getting the fire started, especially with a cold flu like we got going on now. So yeah, wrapping paper does work as a fire starter. It's not the best. If you notice, it ashed up a lot in here, blocked the airflow, so that's a little bit of user error. But once we knocked the ash away, had to relight it, it took off right like a hot damn. Not the best. Not the worst, but it does work. TikTok user Sessipool suggested Mazapan on the Will It Light. So, let's give it a shot. Alright, I'm going to have to go ahead and call it. Didn't light when it was in a brick. It didn't light when it was crumbled. I tried to feed it a little bit of tinder, so didn't really work very well. Which is kind of a relief because, let's face it, these things are delicious, and it would be a shame to light any more of them on fire. So as a fire starter, they're 0 out of 10, but as a food, they're a 10 out of 10, so Mazapan, 5 out of 10. This Wrangler Star video was served up to me in my feed because, of course, shit, this thing has more likes on it than I get views in a year. But he says
the best way to start a fire in your wood stove or fireplace.
I'm saying we could beat the time of his entire short. So, ready, go. I think we can do it. Oh, it's fancy schmancy. Take that one from me. I don't know, it seems pretty lit to me. I don't know if this was the best fireplace lighting video, but it's the most delicious. Doritos, 10 out of 10.
Will it burn?
On today's episode of Will It Light, we have the stack of 50-year-old wood.
Wow.
Do you remember when we did the roof this summer?
Yeah.
I saved some of this.
Just for this?
Just for this. So, let's stick some 50-year-old wood in here and see if it'll light the fireplace off.
I think it will.
I think it will too. So this will make all the blowtorch is unfair people happy. To make it even, I'm going to start with the smallest flame that I could find.
Ooh. Off to a good start.
It is off to a good start.
I'm already gonna rate this a 9 out of 10.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. I went out. Gonna have to hit it with the old equalizer. So yeah, and a surprise to no one, 50-year-old wood can light the fireplace off. Using the Bic lighter, it did die off. I did have to hit it with a blowtorch, so for that reason, 50-year-old wood, 7 out of 10. Instagram user Oso Maloso says, is this wood still wood after 50 years? Dude, wood is wood forever. Why would you ask if it burns like wood? I don't understand. And then came back and commented later, your understanding of the structure of objects is worrisome. Well, in that case, on today's installment of Will It Light, I'm going to light my engineering diploma on fire, my engineering transcript for said diploma on fire, and this one. So yeah, it turns out, even though according to Ruben, he's very worried that I don't understand the structure of objects, turns out an engineering degree can light a fireplace. 10 out of 10. Instagram user Booger Sculptor suggested nuts and also suggested dryer lint. I think we all know dryer lint, but let's see if it'll light the fireplace. How much should we get? That much seems about right. All right, let's see it. Mother of God. Couple things. First one, that is just dryer lint, so that's just the fabric that comes off the clothes and gets caught in the dryer vent because we do not use fabric softener, so there's no additional waxes in there. Second thing, clean your dryer and your dryer vent line to prevent this sort of thing from happening not in a fireplace. So I would say dryer lint, 9 out of 10, but because your username was Booger Sculptor, you get an extra point. Dryer lint, 10 out of 10. On today's episode of Will It Light, we got this dirty old half a ramen box. As you can see, inside, no accelerants, no adulterants. So, let's see if it'll light. I'm going to have to go ahead and call it no. A dirty old ramen box did not have the horsepower to get it to light. It looked promising. There was a lot of flames, there was a lot of crackling, but I don't think there was enough mass there to really catch anything. The paper kind of burned out before it transferred its heat up into the wood. On today's installment of Will It Light, we have Reese's Pieces. This suggestion or recommendation came from Kuro Guinness, which is regular Reese's Pieces. So these are unadulterated, straight out of the package. And let's see if they'll light. So Reese's Pieces, as a fire starter, like maybe in a campfire, easy to carry around, survival situation type thing, they do work, but in the Will It Light setup and compared to other things that we've done on here, there are better options. I had to feed it other little tinder, and it did eventually catch, but it took a really long time. Not the best, but it wasn't like a block of ice or anything, so 2 out of 10. YouTube user codename -B3X says, empty toilet rolls times 6, unless you use shells. I actually think I have that. Let's go grab them. I don't know, should I like nest them or I do like the oddly specific requests. 6, not 7, not 5. Let's see what we can do. It started off strong. I thought we had something there. There's just not enough mass in the toilet paper rolls to transfer that heat up into the wood. So 6 times toilet paper rolls would be a 0 out of 10, but you get a +1 for a Demolition Man reference. So 1 out of 10. In my hand, I am holding the #1 item that has been suggested so far on the Will It Light series. Can you take a guess at what it is? You know it. You hate it. The lowly old Frito. I can't tell you how many times this has been suggested. So let's make sure they're not poison. I hope they're good. I just walked them. Let's... Oh, you never had a Frito before?
Yeah.
What do you think? Would you eat them or should you light them on fire?
I'm gonna light them on fire.
Light them on fire. All right. Well, let's...
Not my favorite.
No, they're no Dorito, I'll tell you that. All right, let's do it. So yeah, the internet wasn't wrong. The lowly old Frito is an excellent fire starter. This was a 2-ounce bag, but if you were like camping or something, you could probably get 3 or 4 fire starts out of this thing for, I think this was $3. I don't think it was as dynamic as Doritos. I wonder if there's a difference in the calories or something. It wasn't like as emphatic as the Doritos. But as far as a fire starter, Doritos, 9.5 out of 10. Doritos are still the king. Hard to beat the king. On every one of these Will It Lights, somebody always has a comment, some sort of con about what I throw in my fireplace to light the fireplace up. So I thought long and hard to assuage all of those commenters. Something that was lightweight, something that was flammable, something that was cheap, something that could light the fireplace. And what did I come up with? Ramen. Let's see if it'll light the fireplace. I saw a guy on here. He's got like 50 million views doing essentially the same thing. But he's lighting pine. You can light pine with a birthday candle. Okay, so first iteration is an L. We're just lighting the wood on fire. And how about if we broke it to give the fire something to grip onto? Yeah, it's not even hot. It's just burnt. But we're burning oak over here. And I gotta say, ramen was great. Oh, spitting out. Ramen was excellent. Don't try to light it in a brick form. Break it up a little bit, but it's still burning itself. This was a great fire starter, and at 14 cents a pack, super duper lightweight. This might be the best non-commercial fire starter I've come up with so far. This was awesome. A little bit of user error. That was me in the beginning. However, fantastic. I'm going to say ramen, giving Doritos a run for their money, 10 out of 10.